So,
Is it column?
Triben RC100.
I see under the concept.
So Triben is the
So is the
brand
company
name.
Brand.
So basically these are sold via Decathlon.
Decathlon cycle brand. And is it basically a racing bike? Is it a racing bike?
So no. This is not a racing bicycle. This is an entry level road bike.
Road bike.
So this comes with a drop down handlebar.
That is the key.
Yes.
You have to bend your body.
Yes.
Now you teach how to ride the bicycle.
Yes.
And then
In a while I'll show you how I look while I ride. So this comes with a 7-speed gear.
Single gear automatic.
Yes. Only at the back we have the gears.
Yes.
So it's a very conventional old school type of shifting gears.
In this
Thumb
cycle,
shifter.
it's not the biggest system. And then we have a pedal loader also.
So the only two modification accessories I've put is one bottle holder and one lock.
Lock.
That's about it.
I think every bicycle I have to put a bicycle lock on it. That's I think body from you can say.
So that's accessory I would call.
And about talk about the type.
So-
type for started or what it's
So this runs on a
Have you changed your starters recently?
not yet. This is a very brand new cycle.
And if you see that it's not like normal type. It's very thin. You've seen the carbon cycles now. That type is considered type.
Yes, the tire size is 32
32-inch type.
32.622. That's 700 into 32C.
You can see how spin this type is. You can say.
Yeah, these are.
And the brakes are in good condition. How can a brake for this cycle?
So far it's been 6 months since I bought my bicycle.
Brakes are check.
So no, nothing has been changed. Recently I got it serviced from a Decathlon. So
it got in nice road actually.
No, Decathlon ETA Road, ETA Mall actually. Yes. Yeah, Magdi Road. So that's about it. So we'll go.
On the road I can show you now. And that's how you should do. So how you should kind of bicycle here. Now you can show you how to ride a bicycle. That's how you should bend your body just. It is coming there. And then how you should ride a bicycle, you can see. The body is fully bended, you can say, angle. I know my weight is around 100 kgs, but I have to make it.
So basically he's claiming he's about more than a ton when it comes to weight.
No, this is the basically of the rice. Basically, cycle is a bend on exit basic in carbon
So
cycle.
it has a lot of. This is the actual riding posture.
I'll try.
So that's how he sits.
I go now.
So once he starts pedaling, go.
It's recording now.
कल YouTube का
So that's basically Pratik riding my bicycle. He's very struggling, I must say. Kayali.
Mobile sensor action of the cycle.
कल कैमरा डिस्प्ले है ना
Current DSLR camera.
हाँ
DSLR camera. DSLR camera. Cam. We shot the board riding because we shot very shot. We talked about the circle also. No?
Since there was a lot of disturbance outdoors, we have come indoors.
And talk about the ownership of the cycle.
So we'll talk about the construction of bicycle. So how it's made. What about the fork?
We'll talk about ownership we talked about the cycle.
Okay, the ownership, I wouldn't say this is hassle-free and all. You have to be very delicate when it comes to maintaining this bike. You just cannot use any kind of lubricants or something for the chain. Just the way you use for your motorcycle, the very similar thing, you have to use it on this. So basically the frame is made of aluminium 6061. So it is very sturdy is what the company has told me, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. But the fork, it's made of stainless steel. So they have blackened it out. And coming to the tire, it runs about 700 into 32C. That's the tire size. Yeah, it is very slim profile, and so it doesn't have any tread patterns on the tire. It's very road focused. So coming to the gears, it runs with a 7-speed gear. So it comes on the only one side at the rear. So it is a Shimano Tourney gears.
The famous company who makes
Who makes gears for a very long time. and it comes with a thumb shifter, very old school system. It's with the help of a thumb you have to shift it.
Shifting is
But more sophisticated bicycles usually come with brake shifters only.
Brake shifter.
So the gears you can usually shift it with the help of brake levers, but which you cannot do with this because it's a very entry-level bicycle.
and very
This costed me about 23,000 without the accessories, and including the accessories, it's 1K more. So accessories, which I'm talking about, it's basically a bottle holder, lock, and a side stand. Decathlon is very famous for not even providing basic accessories. So these are all the three basic requirements that I've fixed it on my bike.
And Decathlon is famous for cycles.
Yeah, they are very good when it comes to bicycle quality and servicing.
Mountain bike.
Yeah, mountain biking, every other biking. So recreational biking and all, they are very good quality bikes in Decathlon. If you guys get a chance, please do go visit. They are very affordable prices also.
And this is it is a premium bicycle.
So
Premium bicycle.
they have put a sticker here. It says this was designed and tested in France.
And this is France.
Tested in France but manufactured here in India. That's the reason we are getting it for such a cheap price. When it comes to road bikes, this is one of the cheapest bikes.
But sorry, I can't forget the low bike.
So that's okay, Pratik.
And now is another cycle here.